Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to watch replays in Clash Royale. It's a fantastic way to review your gameplay and learn from every match. To begin, simply open the Clash Royale app. Once you are in the main game interface, look for the battle log icon. This log stores your recent battles, allowing you to revisit them at any time. You can typically find replays for your last 25 matches, offering plenty of opportunities for review. Once you've located the battle log, you'll see a list of your most recent games. Each entry clearly indicates whether you won or lost, along with your opponent's name. To watch a specific battle, simply tap on its entry in the log. The replay will load quickly, allowing you to jump right into the action. This straightforward process makes reviewing your games incredibly easy and efficient. While watching a replay, you have full control over the playback. You can adjust the speed to 1 times, 2 times, or even 4 times normal speed, letting you focus on key moments or quickly skip through less important parts. There are also options to pause, play, and fast forward, giving you complete flexibility. Pay close attention to both players' elixir counts and card rotations to understand strategic decisions. Watching replays is more than just reliving a battle. It's a powerful learning tool. By reviewing your games, you can pinpoint mistakes, understand why certain plays worked or failed, and refine your strategies. You can also observe your opponent's tactics and learn how to counter popular deck archetypes. Consistent replay analysis is one of the best ways to elevate your Clash Royale skills and climb higher on the ladder.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.